All right, I'm on the UNT website, and so I'm going to search for graduate programs. I can always choose admissions or academics now that I have already become familiar with how to search for school information. But I'm still going to go the admissions route just to go the long way around. And so then there is a graduate tab here that you see. And then it's going to give you access to the University of North Texas Toulouse Graduate School. And so you have different tabs: future students, newly admitted, current students, faculty, staff, alumni, people, contact us, etc. Grad programs. Grad programs is usually where you would probably get your information in terms of degree. But let's still go the long way around. So graduate admissions. And so now that we kind of see this page, there's a lot going on and it's focused at the same time. We can click graduate programs. So let's click graduate programs. UNT offers 94 master's and 37 doctoral programs. We can look at an alphabetical list. Let's kind of look at this page just for a minute, though. So you have online programs, UNT at Frisco, and then accelerated online programs. So we don't need that information. We just need the alphabetical list for right now. So this alphabetical list gives us most schools website always house the majors under different colleges and schools. So let's look at an alphabetical list for a minute. And so there's the alphabetical list. And then I'm just going to pick the very first one, which is accounting, because it's easier to choose. And then you have options under accounting. So remember, the admissions website of any university houses information, as well as the program webpage, that degree program webpage. So we have accounting. You can get either a master's degree or PhD in it. And if you scroll down this page, you're going to see a lot of information available to you. So Master's of Science in Accounting, uh, Master's of Science degree in taxation, and then a PhD in business with the concentration in accounting. And then you have a lot of information about reports, national recognition, research opportunities, what the admissions requirements are in terms of getting into the program. So you get a lot of information here that you could summarize and then assess and then reflect on. Financial assistance. So let's go back. So then we could also get access to the program webpage. And the program webpage is actually where the major is housed. And so it's housed under the G. Brent Bryan College of Business. And of course, you can click any one of these tabs as well. And it's going to give you information about the accounting major there. I'm not going to click too much into it because there's a lot going on here. But you definitely have BBA in accounting, BS, MS in accounting, MS accounting, and MS taxation, PhD in accounting, graduate course descriptions, because you are creating an entry for graduate program. And so then there's an entrance exam for this particular major. You have um, faculty members. These are your societies. They give you a reason for why you should major. And then transfer here. All this information, important dates, upcoming events, information like that. So this is information for UNT, how to search for graduate program.